Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing something very different for my channel. I've never done this before because I've never done this before. I am going to be doing an unboxing for you today, and I love watching unboxings of people who have purchased bags, shoes, usually of the designer variety. However, I've never been someone who has bought designer things. I don't own until now anything from any kind of top tier designers. I am fashion wise very much a high street girl. ASOS, Topshop, that's my niche, that's my kind of area of expertise, I guess you could say. Designers, I'm very new to the world when it comes to purchasing, but I've always had an interest and a kind of aspirational desire to buy designer. So, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing my first designer item with you, and I feel like this is quite a momentous occasion for me, so I wanted to just document it and upload it because I love watching these so much, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this. Then if you do, then if I'm lucky enough to be able to purchase more designer pieces in the future, let me know if you'd like to see more unboxings of them. Now I'm sticking with this one. So the other day I tweeted that I have wanted a designer bag, right? And I couldn't bring myself to buy it because for me, currently doing a total refurbishment on a flat, and it was a completely unjustified purchase. So there was another item, or two items technically, that I've wanted for a really long time. And the stock was starting to get really low on Net-a-Porter, and I was getting worried that it was going to sell out. So I bit the bullet a couple of days ago and I purchased them, and you will have seen in my vlog that I was really umming and ahhing about it. Do I buy them? Do I not? I've still not seen them in person, so if they aren't 100% right, then I'm going to be totally honest, I will send them back, and I'll say that in this video. Also, if you're wondering where I am, this is my spare bedroom at my dad's house. I'm actually really worried and really nervous to film this video because, I mean, for a start, I've never done anything like this before, and I know that on my channel I talk about, you know, higher end makeup and the odd kind of more premium high street fashion, but I never talk about this, and I'm scared that people are gonna hate on me. I am really nervous I'm gonna get some hate, and that's okay. It's my money, I can spend it on what I want to spend it on. I've wanted this for a really long time and I just want to share it. Please don't think I'm boasting or anything like that. It's definitely not the case. I've been kind of like, do I even show you? But I just feel like it's a fun video and it might be of interest if you guys are also thinking about purchasing this item. So I've been rambling for a long time because I'm nervous, but I'm also really excited to open the box. I'm just gonna do it. It came in a brown box with some black tissue paper, and here is the box. So as you can tell, and obviously you can probably tell from the title, this is from Gucci. This is my first item of Gucci, and the box is beautiful, and I'm gonna keep it forever and ever and ever. I'm gonna be one of those people who keeps the boxes. We've got some tissue. Oh my god, they're amazing. And here they are. Oh my. Here are my new babies. Tell me that these aren't adorable. I actually dare you. Okay, let me give you a little bit of information. So these are the Gucci leather gauze-grain ankle boots. I got them in a size 40, European size 40, which is like a size 7 UK. See if they fit because I'm between a 6 and a 7, but I went up a size just in case because you can always wear socks with them. As you can see, they are like an army boot with like a brass hook and eye system here. They've got white laces which I think look amazing against the black leather. It's such a contrast, and it just makes them so statement. I mean, you can also switch them out for black laces if you want it to be a little bit more subtle, but I love it with the white. And then it's also got the blue, red and white signature stripe going around the top ankle. I think it's a 2.5 inch heel, something like that, so it gives you a little bit of height. Oh my god. On the bottom, I don't know if you can see this, but there is a snake in the sole of the shoe, which is craziness. I got these off of Net-a-Porter and they retail for £715, which is the single most expensive thing I have ever purchased. Other than like flat stuff obviously, but I mean like clothes wise, that is definitely the most expensive thing I've ever bought, and I did feel a little bit sick to my stomach, but like Kanye always says, if you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. And I have been saving. I have got savings which have been going towards the flat, but I've also had some savings that I have been saving a treat item to myself, and this was my treat. Branding wise, it's actually pretty subtle. Like the boot is not subtle at all, but the branding on the boot is. So there is a little Gucci embossed in the rubber at the front here, which I think is a really lovely subtle touch. I love the brass. My handbags are all gold or brass hardware handbags. I also carry a leather handbag, a black leather handbag every single day, so this will go with my everyday handbag. In the summer I wear trainers and sandals every day, and in the winter I basically wear black boots every single day. And I had some fake black Doc Martens. I've got the red ones, the cherry reds, which I'm really excited to break in. Cherry reds are a little bit too big for me, so I have to wear them with socks. But my black Docs are completely worn and in need of replacement because they weren't real Docs. So I thought that I would upgrade from the Doc Marten to the Gucci. I think that these are going to be so versatile. I could wear these with dresses, jeans, a day, in the night, and I thought because we're moving into autumn winter, this is going to be the optimum time to buy them because I will get the most possible wear out of them that I possibly can. I do have a handbag in my brain that I really want, and I'm not going to let myself get it until the flat is completely finished and all of the expenses towards that are out the window, and I can celebrate and put a beautiful handbag in my new wardrobe. So for now I have my beautiful new boots that I am genuinely thrilled with. You do also get the black laces with them if you'd rather go for the more subtle look. My first ever dust bag. Now all I need is my black Gucci belt. I'm officially a member of the Gucci gang. I might be going to the pub with my friends tonight and I might wear these. Thank you for all of your feedback on my last video. I think it was my last video for you, who were saying, you know, whether you like favorites videos or not. Thank you so much for your feedback. I will be doing favorites videos again because I personally really enjoy them, but there won't be one for this month. I'll do it for September. So if you guys want a kind of updated view on the boots after I've worn them a little bit, etc., then let me know. I'll mention them in my monthly favourites, if they are a favourite. They might not be, I hope they are. Or if you want a video how I would style these boots, then let me know. I want to get as much content out of these boots as I possibly can to pay for them. So my friends, that is all from me now. Oh, Tim, stop texting me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you aren't someone who agrees with designer purchases, things like that, please just remember that this was for me and I am not here to boast or brag. I just want to give you a little bit more information about these shoes if you're interested in purchasing them yourself. I'm not here to tell you to buy anything, just to show you that the option is there. So yeah, let me know what you think of the boots, and if you'd like to see more content with them, you know, how to style them. Check out my Instagram because there's probably going to be 100 pictures of them there. I honestly feel so grateful that I am in a position that I'm able to treat myself to something that I've wanted for such a long time, and I'm very grateful because obviously without you I wouldn't be able to do it, and it means the world to me that you support me and you watch my videos and you comment and share them, and you know that you buy the products that I recommend to you because you trust my opinion. It honestly does mean the world to me. So I felt like I wanted to share this momentous occasion with you because for me this is an extremely big deal. I'll link the boots down below if you would like to purchase them yourselves, and have the best day. I will see you in my next one. Bye.